Now we are going to solve some problem which contains both the involvement of AM and GM means also. Now the problem is, if G is the geometric mean of A and B and A1, A2 are two arithmetic means between A and B, then prove that G square is equal to 2 times A1 minus A2 into 2 times A2 minus A1. Now the solution is, as we have A1 and A2 are two arithmetic mean between A and B, that are arithmetic mean, and G is a GM between A and B. First of all, we will discuss this case. If these are the means, that means A, A1, A2 and B are consecutive terms of an AP, that is common difference will be same. Or if we take first three terms, that is A, A1 and A2, then according to mean, A1 is the A1 is the arithmetic mean between A and A2 and given by A plus A2 over 2. And similarly, if we have A1, A2 and B, then A2 will be the arithmetic mean between A1 and B, and it is given by A1 plus B over 2. That is, we get 2A1 minus A2 is equal to A, and 2A2 minus A1 is equal to B. Now as we know that G is the GM between, that is geometric mean between A and B, then by definition of geometric mean, G is equal to under root product of A and B, that is under root A is 2A1 minus A2 into B is 2A2 minus A1. Now taking squaring on both sides, we get G square is equal to 2 times A1 minus A2 into 2A2 minus A1. Hence the result proved. If A and G respectively the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two distinct positive numbers, A and B, then prove that A is greater than G. Now we have A is the arithmetic mean between A and B, that is the arithmetic mean, and G is the geometric mean between A and B. So by definition of arithmetic mean and geometric mean, we have A is equal to A plus B over 2 and G is equal to under root AB. Now we have to prove a greater than g. That is, we have to find a minus g is greater than 0. Then we will get our result. So we will take the difference, that is a minus g. That gives a plus b over 2 minus g, that is under root ab. So that gives under root a whole square plus under root b whole square minus 2 under root ab over 2 by taking LCM. So we get half a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is under root a minus under root b whole square. Since square quantity is always greater than 0, as a and b are two distinct numbers, so they can't be equal to 0. Therefore, half of under root a minus under root b whole square greater than 0. That is a minus g greater than 0. That is a is greater than g. Hence the result true. So in this case we have to prove a greater than g. That means we get a hint. We have to find a minus g is negative positive or equal to 0. And that give our answer. Now the next problem is the difference between arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two positive real numbers is 12 and ratio of these numbers is 1:9. Find the numbers. Now we have to find A and B. Let A and B be two distinct numbers. And A and B belongs to R. As A and B are positive numbers, so belongs to R positive. Now, A is the arithmetic mean. Let between A and B, so it is given by A is equal to A plus B over 2 and G is the geometric mean. It is given by under root AB. And as we know that we proved in earlier problem, A is greater than G. So, as we have to write difference between A and GM is positive real number, that is we have to write A minus G is 12, rather G minus A, then it becomes negative. And we also have A over B is equal to 1:9, that is B is equal to 9A. As we have A minus G is equal to 12, that gives A plus B over 2 minus under root AB is equal to 12. That gives, substitute the value of B is equal to 9A, we get A plus 9A over 2 minus under root A into 9A is equal to 12. That gives 10A over 2 minus under root 9A square is equal to 12. So we get 5A minus under root 9 is 3, A square is A equal to 12. That gives 2A is equal to 12. That gives A is equal to 6. So as A is 6 and B is 9 times 8, that is 9 into 6, that is 54. Therefore, two numbers are 6 and 54. So these were the problems which were based on AM and GM mean. Now the next problem is for positive real number. A, B, C, prove that A plus B into B plus C into C plus A is greater than equal to 8 times A, B, C. There is a product of C numbers. So we have to prove this. As we know that A is greater than G, that is sum of two numbers divided by 2 is greater than under root AB, that gives A plus B is greater than equal to 2 times under root AB. Similarly, we can write B plus C is greater than 2 times under root BC. And C plus A is greater than 2 times under root AC. This is true for C numbers. Now multiplying above inequalities, we get A plus B into B plus C into C plus A is greater than equal to 8 times under root AB under root BC under root CA. That is greater than equal to 8 times ABC. So we get A plus B into B plus C into C plus A is greater than equal to 8 times ABC. Hence the result proved. So it was all about the problem which were based on AM and GM, that is mixed problem that involves arithmetic and geometric means also.